Welcome and thank you for joining this Paragon audio blog. In this episode, Beyond the Beep, we are going to take a closer look at the evolving world of self-checkout technology and some of the issues currently facing both retailers and consumers. We'll also explore how a strategic approach to testing can help payment industry participants manage the significant changes taking place in this area. In a previous blog post, we explored the rapid rise of retail self-checkout and some of the significant concerns prompting its reevaluation, including the removal of the technology by many retail chains. This debate continues, highlighting both the technical limitations and customer service issues that exist with many current implementations of self-checkout. Let's review some of the problems that have surfaced with retail self-service deployments and look at how organizations can better deal with the ongoing evolution of this technology. The recent announcement by Dollar General's CEO that it would remove self-checkout from the vast majority of stores as part of a larger overall shrink reduction effort highlights one of the most significant drawbacks of self-checkout. A recent study published by the Wharton School of Business shows that the industry-wide shrink rate from self-checkout is estimated to be between 3.5 and 4%, compared with a rate of less than 1% for cashiers. For many retailers who already operate on razor-thin margins, this presents a significant threat to their bottom line. Additional articles continue to surface, highlighting other issues such as ongoing consumer frustration with the technology, including their fear of being falsely accused of stealing, the security of both customers and store staff, as well as concerns about the displacement of cashier jobs that are so critically important to many unskilled workers. From the retailer's perspective, they are increasingly discouraged by the level of shrinkage caused by fraudsters who abuse the self-checkout systems. These developments underscore the need for self-checkout technology to evolve in several key areas and emphasize the critical role that an effective payment testing strategy will play going forward. It is no surprise that all of this public debate has caught the eye of regulators across the globe. In the USA, the California State Senate is progressing legislation that will impose a number of restrictions on retail self-checkouts. Similar initiatives are underway in other U.S. states, including Rhode Island and Oklahoma. Internationally, self-checkout concerns are getting significant public scrutiny in Australia, Canada, the UK, and many different markets. Say what you will about the retail self-service initiative, but involvement from regulators will almost assuredly bring more cost and complexity to the equation. The evolution of self-checkout will certainly continue, but in what direction and at what pace? Consumers are currently caught between retailers who want to use the technology to provide a positive shopping experience, as well as reducing costs to increase profits, and fraudsters who are abusing the system. Change is needed, but so is caution. Whenever payments are involved, it is critically important for both retailers and financial services providers to ensure that whatever route they take is well-designed, thoroughly tested, and expertly executed. No one knows how self-service technologies will evolve and where the industry and regulators will take it. Introducing AI into the mix may make a difference, but that technology carries its own set of issues and risks. If you accept the simple fact that self-checkout and payments will continue to evolve, you can take steps to effectively manage the change by updating and upgrading your payment testing operations. Dealing with continual disruption requires a strategic approach to testing that emphasizes speed, accuracy, and flexibility. Gartner says organizations that aggressively pursue automation will lower operational costs by up to 30% by combining automation technologies with redesigned operational processes. If you are interested in this topic and would like to learn more about how Paragon's web-based tools and simulators can help your organization more effectively manage all of the change taking place with self-checkout and across the payment industry, please visit us at www.paragonedge.com. Thank you for listening today.